This is Chris, and we're coming along pretty well here with the construction of the backyard beer garden, bocce and cornhole tossing play area here at the Antelope Valley County Fair. We've got our first bocce court staked out. We're going 12 by 52 feet, larger than most backyard courts and larger than some hobby courts. I understand it's not the full length, but life is a series of compromises here at the county fair. So look forward to showing how to do this step by step. Got our first beam out. It's a 6 by 6 by 8 foot beam, and we've anchored it with some 24-inch rebar. Quite a bit of work to go. Invite everybody to come out and have a real good time starting on August 14th. This is an adult area. Won't be kids in here. It'll be all fenced off. Got the beer machine set up here with a roll-off container with like 8 taps on it. Sponsored by Remax and Lucky Luke Brewing.